Hi guys, this is Derek. Here we see the green forklift. It's a 4-wheel drive rough terrain forklift. It is Kaystar Land Tiger Pro certified. A 3.5 ton capacity diesel forklift. It adopts wide wheel mast. The height of the mast is optional. There are options between 3 to 6 meters. You can also choose a triple-legs free lift mast. It is a heavy-duty forklift. The self-weight of the forklift is 5.2 tons. High-tread tires and non-inflatable tires are also optional configuration. Also, the enclosed cabs and air conditioner. Just tell me your requirements. We can produce for you. Let's watch this video together and see its excellent performance. Contact me. You can get an excellent 4-wheel drive off-road forklift. At the same time, you will also receive excellent technical service. Thank you for your watching. Contact me now and get best price. Thank you.